Hold on, I farted. What's up? Welcome to the second half. I'm hungry. Welcome to the second half of the day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the two videos together. I might space it out because it might be too long. But anyway, now I'm gonna do the window regulator because I already have the polycarbonate window on the passenger rear and the driver's side front. The reason was the passenger rear window regulator stopped working, and then the driver's side front, I forgot why. Oh, the window fell out of the rail on track, so that's why I only had to do those two. And now it's time to complete it, at least on this side. So I already removed the harness off the harness holder or whatever. And then next step, we're just gonna remove the what is it? The actual, what is it called? The arms and the motor. Yeah, and then the window. Yep. So this is what you need to do to remove the window regulator. So there's one nut over here. Forgot the size. You can figure it out yourself. And there's 1, 2, 3. This is not connected. And 4, actually. There's another rivet behind this door handle. So there are 4 rivets that you need to drill out, and then 1 nut to unbolt. Now I'm gonna do that. Alright, so to remove the door handle, it's a T20 Torx. Yeah. Make sure you don't lose it. So after you remove the bolt, just slide it to the right. And it's out of the way. Oh, damn! This is crazy. Look. I don't know what happened here, but apparently it's already cracked. I've never seen anything like this. Whoa, whoa. This is nuts. Okay, well, we're taking off anyway. To all the kids, if you're using a DAS tool, please don't be like this, okay? You're gonna get your ass whooped. There you go. All right. Yeah, again, mind the grease. It's really disgusting, hard to clean. Slide it out of the rail, set it aside. I'm gonna weigh it. But what we need to do now is remove this upper trim piece. They're being held by these clips, so it doesn't really come out by itself. Just get some flathead screwdriver, pop these 5 out, and you can remove everything from the top of the door. There you go. Let's change the rearview mirror, might as well. Okay, so to change the rearview mirror, just need to disconnect this harness and 3 10mm bolts. Easy. Ah. Perfect. Alright, so I just weighted the old window and the regulator and this polycarbonate replacement. So this weighs 4 pounds, and the old window glass, not window glass, and the regulator weighs 12.4 pounds. So that's 8.4 pounds difference. So that times 4 is 33.6 pounds. So deleting all 4 glasses and window regulators will save you about 33.6 pounds. Yeah. Oh, and just in case you're wondering, the OEM rearview mirror and the M3 rearview mirror actually weighs exactly the same. They're both 2 pounds. Anyway, let's put it on. So it might get a little bit tricky when you try to push it up by the end, but use this little window and get a flat-out screwdriver. Just push it up like that, gentle. There it is. So as you can see, there are a couple holes on the on each side. That's where you actually put the pin through, and you also can utilize these holes to pretty much, you know, pry it up. Let me put the inner piece back on. There we go. All right. Haha, perfect. Man, this thing looks more and more like a car now. I'm pretty happy about it. But for today, everything is done. Hold on, I farted. I finished way sooner than I expected, so I guess I can go back to sleep now. Peace.